Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dance! Wow, my people. Dancehall Skilla there here again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened after a motorist had been stopped by the police within the country that is known as Jamaica. Yes, the video will be recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't know exactly when the video will be recorded. The video shows some things that happened during a confrontation between a person and the police officers from within the country that is known as Jamaica. And the confrontation escalated to a point where at least one of those police officers held a pepper spray and said some things to the person who you can hear talking in the background of the video. Now, viewers and subscribers, one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and I would like to know what you, my viewers and subscribers, think about this video as well. Alright? Now, please bear in mind that in this video, you can hear at least one harsh language. So, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe and tell me what you think.
Bus spray a little brother.
Yeah.
And this one right here. See me? Them say me have an offense going on patrol.
No sir, your seat forward.
No. Me ask them papers, please, police.
Sir,
please.
Not touch the
me have video you know. Only can't pepper spray me, you know. Pepper spray me, let it take it out for the while. Pepper spray no. Give me the papers, brother. Give me the papers, brother. Give me the papers, brother. Give me the
Clear out of way, man.
Clear
out of way, me say.
Boss, step back and leave them.
They're 6 feet right in the spray. Give me papers,
then you already might be in.
I don't want to join the force. Don't antagonise people, brother. I want to train for serve and protect. You remember the party? You remember the party? You remember the party? Where you train for? Why reason you train? Eh? What you got training school for? What you got training school for? You officer answer me now? Want a job for serve and protect. Why not take up people spray for? You have trouble with a big man? Eh? Say for the paper spray.
My people, what do you think? I think that the best thing the man should have done is just take it easy. I know so that you might be upset. You know, especially if you think that you're innocent when it comes down to certain situations that involves the police. Is what I say. But at the same time, the best thing you can do is to do things the legal way. You see what I say, and not put yourself in any form of trouble with the law than you already might be in. Yeah, I like to say might be in because sometimes you might never know what can happen after a video start recording or even before a video start recording. But anyways, my people, tell me what you think, my people, who you think was wrong, and you can tell me what I think overall about the whole situation, alright? I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I saw a video posted on social media that shows a man inside of a business establishment. And according to some things that a person said in the background of the video, I got the understanding that the person implied or said that the man had been locked inside of the business establishment and all the employees of the business establishment left that building. Now, viewers and subscribers, I question that whole situation. Yes, I question the video as well, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Because I am wondering if the things that the person said in the background of the video are accurate or if the things that the person said in the background of the video are true. See? And I'm going to present a piece of the entire video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can take a look at least a piece of the video for yourself. And you can tell me what I think. You can tell me if you believe or if you don't believe the things that the person said in the background of this video, viewers and subscribers. You can tell me if you believe that man really and truly had been locked in a business establishment accidentally and the workers of the business establishment left that business establishment and gone home. So you tell me what you think, people, because if the things that the person said in the background of the video are true, I tell you the situation somewhat serious but funny. But anyways, here's the video. Look, listen and observe with my people.
In a fall mode. Man lock up in a Sakura saying in a bathroom. And the people have lock up your place and gone. Look how man shot wet man in the sweat. The man saying there like a fire.
Yeah, you
want to turn on the AC and want come out. Yo!
Yeah.
What you say? I in there work?
Yeah.
Say you talk. You don't want me to turn on the AC? Yeah, not true. Watch.
So, just so that's the people. I wonder all different kind of things about that whole situation. Because if that man really and truly had been accidentally locked in that business establishment, viewers and subscribers, I wonder how that reached him. How? You see what I said? Here's the next thing again to say it. If you listen carefully to the things that the person said, you might get an understanding as to where the video had been recorded or where that business establishment is located and the name of the business establishment, because me hear the person say some things in the background of the video. But overall still, my people, see? If the things that the person said in the background of this video are true, no viewers and subscribers, then this kind of situation should be bring to some form of awareness, no viewers and subscribers. I mean, what if the person was a dishonest person? I mean, what about the supervisor? If something like that happened for real, then what about the supervisor for that business establishment? That's what I say. And if something like that happened for real, then what would happen if the boss or the owner of the business establishment find out? Yes, yeah. A whole heap of things, my people. That's what I say. Yeah, you know, a situation like that still, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, if it is true, is a serious situation. Not really a laughing matter, it's a serious situation, but we can't help but laugh some of the times when I think about some things that I saw and heard in that video. Viewers and subscribers, it's not like I never have an idea like something like that can happen, but see the video then, people. See it? I'm going to move on to another topic. You can let me know what you think, alright? Now, I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica are investigating an incident where it is said that a man had been stabbed to death after the man chopped a man during an altercation. According to information that I got, it is said that the altercation or the incident happened in Santa Cruz Market, that is located within the parish of St. Elizabeth, that's within the country of Jamaica, on the 27th of June, the year 2022. According to preliminary reports, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to say allegedly, that one of those persons who was involved in the altercation attacked the other person and chopped that person on a part of his body, viewers and subscribers, and then the injured person used a knife to stab his attacker to death. See? Now, viewers and subscribers, if that information is accurate and if that information is true, then the situation might be considered as some form of self-defense for one person. Might be, you understand? Might be. It depends on how this whole investigation turn out after police finish doing their investigation. You see what I say? I just saw the thing set, you see? Yeah, but anyways, viewers and subscribers, I didn't get any confirmed information if anyone had been taken into police custody when it comes down to this whole situation. No, I do not, you understand? So I don't know if anyone had been taken into police custody, but just I give information according to I got information. So it is said that the incident happened within St. Elizabeth, Jamaica on the 27th of June, the year 2022. And with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica confirmed that a baby who you can see in a video with a plastic bag over the baby's face or over the baby's head had been located and that the baby is safe. The Jamaica Constabulary Force said that the baby had been placed in the father's care. See? Now, the Jamaica Constabulary Force are also asking people on social media to stop spread that video on social media, viewers and subscribers, because I got the understanding that the video is circulating certain places on social media. You see what I say? Now, the video that I'm talking about shows when someone put a plastic bag over a baby's head or over a baby's face. And that's a horrible thing, viewers and subscribers. You see what I say? I also got information that the mother for the child had been taken to a hospital for medical treatment. Now, that information really and truly have me thinking, because based on my understanding about the whole situation, and then I got information that the mother for the child had been taken to a hospital for medical treatment, I wondered what happened or what's going on and what type of hospital the mother had been taken to. You see what I say? So I kind of read between the line, but I just have to give you the information according to I got the information. And I don't want to jump to no conclusion, viewers and subscribers. You understand? I don't want to jump to no conclusion. But anyways, you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself. You see? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah,
me now.
Hey yo, skilla.